This is code.org and we are on a challenge. Challenge puzzles are lessons designed to stretch your brain. Just do the best you can. I am so ready. Challenge. The only way to get around all these crops is to move forward until you get to the lettuce. Then turn left if, we haven't seen if statements yet, there's a path to turn left on. Otherwise, turn right. Alright, so they're giving us some hints here. Move forward until you get lettuce. I'll take that hint. So repeat until there is lettuce. I'm going to move forward. Let's just test this out. Let's try it. Alright, so that does get us here. Can use up to 9 blocks. Well, now what would we do? I'm going to want to turn right. Alright. And then what? We'll move forward twice, but I'm going to try this. Repeat until there's lettuce again. Move forward. Ooh, don't leave any crops behind. Ooh, I also have to pick crops. Okay, so now that I got to the lettuce right here, repeat until there's lettuce. Do move forward while there is lettuce. So once I get to that lettuce, I'm going to say, hey, as long as there is lettuce, pick the lettuce. And so what this is doing is repeat until there's lettuce, move forward. Hey, is there lettuce? No, not yet. Okay, move forward again. Hey, is there lettuce? No. Okay, move forward again. Lettuce? No, move forward again. And then when there is lettuce, hey, you're at lettuce. Oh, okay. And the loop is done, right? And it runs the code underneath it. It just runs the code in order afterwards. But once it hits the loop, it's checking, and until it's at that point, it will keep running this stuff inside. Once it's done, it runs the other code. While there is lettuce, as long as there's lettuce now, pick that lettuce. Turn right. Okay, now once again, until you get to lettuce, move forward. And then what would I do? Well, I want to pick all the lettuce. So while there's lettuce, pick lettuce. Then it looks like I'd want to turn left. But it could be a right. Left. Just going to kind of keep going. See what we can figure out here. Repeat until there is lettuce. Move forward. Pick while there's lettuce. Pick lettuce. Turn right. Alright, let's see if this does anything. And that's what's great about code. You can be wrong a lot. You can. Okay. And then I'm going to turn right. And then while there is lettuce, or repeat until there is lettuce. And we have way too many blocks, I know. Move forward while there is lettuce. Alright, let's see what we have here. And then I think I would turn left. Well, this looks similar. But look at all this. That's still a whole lot of code. Okay, so notice that these two chunks of code are the same. I'm going to get rid of that. And let's say, I'm still over though, so we still got to figure this out. But what if I do this? What if I... The problem here is we just don't know the direction. It seems like we need to ask the computer a question. Because am I going right or left? And sometimes it's one way or the other, I think. Oh, remember we had this if? So, repeat until there is lettuce, pick the lettuce. Then, what do I want to do? Turn. But sometimes I want to go right, sometimes I want to go left. What is a better way to do this? Well, you can ask the computer a question. We can say, hey, is there a path to the left? If so, if there's a path to the left, turn left. If not, otherwise, turn right. So in this, we're asking the computer a question. Hey, is there a path to the left? Yes? Okay, turn left. And then all you do is turn left. It does not turn right ever. And then it hits the bottom of our loop and it would repeat. Or it would say, is there a path to the left? And the computer says, nope, that's false. And if it's false, it goes to else. So it does not ever turn left. It would only turn right because there was no path to the left. And then it keeps running our loop. Tricky. Let's see if this works. I'm gonna, let's put in a 3 and try it. And see how those little dots go up? Checking where our path is located. And that was 3 times. Let's do 6. Oh, one more. Awesome, we did it!